All right, wonderful people, welcome back to this wonderful channel where we bring you back-to-back update and information as it is hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news drop, you will be the first. We will collect them. Let's go down to the news proper as it is hot. The information will be said they my table now is concerning the closure of Lagos Market by Governor of Lagos State and also the Minister of Environment. According to them, they said that the market was closed down due to environmental issues, that they are not keeping the environment clean, and that is why the Lagos State government under the Lagos State government through the Minister of Environment closed down Ladipo Market and other markets in Lagos State. I don't know if this is beef against Igbos and Lagos State government or beef against the Igbo in particular, because of course you know that that market is mostly occupied by the Igbos. You see Alaba International Market, electronics, most of the big markets, even Satellite Time and all the rest of them are being occupied by Igbo. And if you enter into Ladipo Market or Alaba International Market, you will find out that most of the people that are doing, even 100% of the people doing business there are Igbos. If you live in that axis of Lagos State, even if you were born in Lagos, it will be hard for you to know how to speak Yoruba, because except maybe the one you learned in school. But if maybe, okay, let's say you are somebody that went to Lagos around the age of 15, thinking because it's a Yoruba place, that you'll be able to, it will be hard for you because the place is occupied by Igbo people. Even the trade, the business that is being done there, the majority of language that is heard within that environment is more of Igbo language. So it's more or so an Igbo people environment. If it were Hausa people, that place should have been called Amausa. It should have been called, if I should put it like that, that place is Amiibo. If I should put it that way. And I wonder why the government should close the market for such a long day. I think what the government should have done is go through the market ahead, talk to them, tell them, look at what is happening within your environment, look at what we want you to do, and this is what we actually want you to do, and give the market committee or union, give the market union time to be able to achieve that. Then if that is not achieved, I think the government can now make the move of going to lock those shops. But just locking shops without even letting these people know what you are doing, without even giving them time to see how best this thing can be sorted out, I think it is not too good, and it is going to affect even the economy of Lagos State, because Alaba International Market is one of the biggest markets in Africa. It contains both electronics and electrical in that Alaba International. And Ladipo also is one of the biggest markets where you get spare parts, electronics, and other Belgian stuff. But Ladipo is mainly for spare parts. And I think that environment is like that. And it is fenced. So I think whatever that happens inside there might not really be the concern of the government. I think what the government should be concerned about is what is happening along the road, like the road of that Ladipo. I'm not saying that keeping the environment is clean is not good, but if the government is talking about the blackness of that place, I think every business that is being done there is more or so of motor parts, and it contains motor oil and the rest of them. Now, I think the government should have gone through the market union, speak to the union, let the union know what they want, and give them the time frame of achieving that. If the government want tax, they should have gone through the union, let the union know the tax they want from these people in order for them to, that can cover whatever that have been done in their environment, their environmental, whatever it is. I think that's what should have done. The market was locked, later on opened, where we saw a man in a video firing shots with AK-47, according to the report I have. I don't know much about gun. Now, after that, the market was still closed again. Let's go down to that information. The Lagos State government has said that the Ladipo market has not been reopened as it was yet to perfect some environmental and safety conditions required before recommencing business activities. Managing Director of Lagos Waste Management Authority, Loma, Dr. Muyiwa Gbadegesin, make una forgive me, that name no be, who made the clarification on Monday, noted that the market remained closed because it observed that its management had not fully met stipulated mandatory safety and environmental measures earlier outlined by the authority. According to Gbadegesin, our primary concern is the safety of the people and environmental well-being at marketplaces. Reopening is contingent upon strict adherence to the safety conditions set forth by Loma. It's imperative that all necessary precautions are taken to prevent any potential risk. He added that while several markets had successfully met the outlined safety requirements and had been permitted to resume businesses, Ladipo Market would also be reopened to business activities once it passed the requisite safety audit. Some of the reopened markets include Oyimbo, Ile Opo, Oke, Odo, and Alamutu in different parts of the state. My people now don't see as it happen, see the closed market, but whosoever it concerns, I think the government should have given these people time, because closing their business down for such a long time, I think it is going to affect these people very well. And of course, it will make the people to be eating the one. There are people who survive on daily basis, even though that the safety of the people is still important. But I think the government should have given them time to be able to achieve that in order for that not to affect the people that are doing business within that environment. That's my opinion. They say that talk your own, not my own, I dey talk. Imo government dispel fear over Supreme Court judgment saga. I tell you, say this one go still go down like that. Say if I dey talk things like this, e go be like say those things why I dey talk, I don't know wetin I dey talk. But now when e go dey happen, when e go dey shele, na when you go know say say you go push the see. I tell you, say as these people dey talk, say Uzodinma this, Uzodinma that, say once the man meet them, oga them, because na dem dey for power, say everything go off like lights. And as e be, e don dey happen as I talk am. Make we carry go. Imo State government has urged people of the state, majority of who are supporters of Governor Hope Uzodinma, to remain calm over the optimism attempt to seek enforcement from the Supreme Court on its 2020 judgment concerning the double nomination of Uche Nwosu as the elected Imo governor. Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emelumba, in a statement in Owerri yesterday, declared that since it was obvious to the opposition that they were losing the coming governorship election to Uzodinma, they contrived the suit to cause confusion and distract the electorate. He described the latest effort as an exercise in futility because the so-called ruling on Nwosu was on nomination and not as the candidate of All Progressive Congress in the said election. He said they have forgotten that Nwosu later went to the Federal High Court to challenge the candidature of Uzodinma and lost. That judgment was never appealed. Second, they appear to suffer selective amnesia that, according to the relevant Electoral Act, matters pertaining to pre-election matters at status barred. So clearly, they are out of time. Emelumba wondered why anyone would wait a few days to the election to file a suit that is dead on arrival, if not for the fact that they know they will be defeated by Uzodinma and APC in the November 11th governorship contest. As they now tired of calling Uzodinma the Supreme Court governor, that they are shameless going to the same Supreme Court, he asks. The commissioner accused the opposition of engaging in abuse of court processes and wasting taxpayers' money. He wondered what else they were looking for since the Supreme Court ruled that Uzodinma was the valid elected governor, and throughout this suit by the People's Democratic Party seeking a judicial review of the judgment. Emelumba called on supporters of the governor and the entire Imo electorate to ignore the antics of the opposition and go ahead to vote for APC in November 11th election. My people, una don see as it happen. We dey work am, e dey show. We dey work am, e dey show. We dey talk am, e dey come to pass. No be prophecy. And because say we don't dey for this obodo, we know as it dey be. Thank you. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to on your notification button so that whenever our news drop, you'll be the first one. Thank you for listening. God bless you.